In the AI-driven era of decision-making, it's imperative to apply ethics to ensure fair and responsible use of technologies. When AI algorithms lack ethics, they may lead to biased outcomes, unfair decisions, and even questions about creative ownership. To evaluate ethical considerations in AI, we'll use a framework presented by Luciano Floridi and Josh Cowles in a 2019 Harvard Data Science Review article. This framework outlines 5 factors for the ethical application of AI in society: beneficence, non-maleficence, autonomy, justice, and explicability. Let's explore each of these 5 factors in the ethics framework. Beneficence involves promoting well-being and doing good. For organizations, this means leaders must consider the potential benefits of implementing an AI algorithm and how it can positively impact individuals and society. Then there's ensuring that no harm is done, referred to as non-maleficence. This entails assessing the potential harm of using an AI algorithm to ensure it doesn't unintentionally discriminate or negatively affect any group or individual. Another factor is autonomy, which is about giving people the power to make informed decisions. So organizations need to ensure that stakeholders have control over their data and can manage access to information. The 4th factor is justice, which involves avoiding bias and promoting fairness. Businesses must consider if the AI algorithm could perpetuate inequities for specific groups and work toward creating a fair and just system. Finally, there's explicability, which is pivotal for accountability and transparency, as it helps to ensure that data is used transparently and the outcomes of an AI algorithm can be explained. By carefully balancing ethical considerations with the potential benefits of AI, leaders can harness the power of this technology to create a more equitable and efficient workplace. Consider a transportation company that wants to implement AI to improve its fleet management system. The organization's leaders must carefully consider the ethical implications to ensure a responsible and beneficial integration. An AI system could optimize routes, reduce fuel consumption, and minimize emissions, which could enhance the company's sustainability efforts and reduce its environmental impact, for example. But to uphold justice and fairness, the leaders must also guarantee that the AI system doesn't unintentionally favor certain fleet drivers or discriminate against others. The leaders also need to review the AI algorithms to prevent biases and ensure equal opportunities for all drivers. Because explicability is vital to build trust and acceptance among drivers, business leaders must ensure that the AI's decisions, such as route assignments and performance evaluations, are transparent and understandable. This will give drivers confidence in the system and its outcomes. And to avoid harm, the company must prioritize safety. The AI system shouldn't push drivers to exceed speed limits or disregard traffic regulations to achieve efficiency, for instance. Instead, the fleet management system should promote safe driving practices to protect drivers and other road users. By demonstrating beneficence, the leaders can leverage AI to enhance driver satisfaction and well-being. For example, the system could consider drivers' preferences for specific routes or rest periods, leading to improved work-life balance and job satisfaction. Autonomy is essential to respect drivers' privacy and preferences too. In this regard, the company's leaders must ensure that drivers have control over any data that the system collects and how such data is used. In addition, drivers should have the freedom to decide whether to participate in the AI-driven system without facing negative consequences. By integrating AI ethically, the transportation company can optimize its operations, reduce costs, and minimize environmental impact, which benefits the company and the community it serves. So as this example demonstrates, a responsible approach to AI empowers employees, enhances efficiency, and contributes to a sustainable future for the organization and society. But it's essential to make ethical decisions to protect stakeholders, clients, and constituents from harm. Failing to consider ethics may lead to higher liability and risk of legal action, impacting both the organization and the individuals involved. Wherever AI is applied, there's a real need for ethical consideration. For instance, addressing gender bias in AI algorithms is essential to avoid perpetuating stereotypes around class, race, or geolocation, and promote an equal society instead. In the judicial system, AI can improve efficiency, but transparency and fairness must be ensured to maintain trust and uphold human rights. In the world of art, AI's ability to imitate art raises questions about copyrights and the value of human creativity. However, it's important to employ ethics in a way that safeguards not only organizations, but the general public too. For example, contemplate an ethical dilemma involving AI technology as it impacts broader society. Imagine a self-driving car having to make a choice between hitting a pedestrian and breaking some traffic rules to avoid causing an accident altogether. The car's algorithm must make a moral decision, which raises questions about whether rules may sometimes be broken to save a life. This highlights how critical it is to imbue AI algorithms and ethical principles to navigate such situations responsibly. So to guide us to make responsible decisions that prioritize well-being, fairness, and transparency, ethics play a key role, especially in the age of AI. By applying ethical frameworks, businesses can navigate the complex challenges posed by AI technologies and use them responsibly to benefit not just the organization, but society as a whole.